Here we come to the elevator at Crate and Barrel at Westfield Annapolis Mall.
Yep. Yeah, it's just your typical Schindler HT with vandal resistant.
It's got an MT fire service key.
Oh, that's weird. And it's got a lockout switch too. That's also weird.
2, we're not pressing on the R's.
Right. And let's listen.
One. So far we've gotten all these elevators all to ourselves. How do you like that?
Nice. Just your basic Schindler HT.
Has vandal resistant HT.
Mm-hmm. Here's your certificate of inspection. That's your Schindler logo right there.
It's got 2 bell indicators on each side.
Yep. And that's it.